Hi friends, welcome to Crochet Zone. Today in this video, I share with you some crochet plant spot cover designs model. A crochet plant cover is a decorative sleeve or pot cover made by crocheting. It is designed to fit around a plant pot, adding an aesthetic touch to the plant's appearance. These covers can be made in various patterns, colors and sizes to match different decor styles and can help enhance the visual appeal of indoor plants. They are often used to give a handmade, cozy look to plant displays. Here are some tips for making crochet plant covers. Choose the right yarn. Use a double yarn that can handle occasional moisture. Cotton yarn is a good choice as it is sturdy and washable. Measure your pot before starting. Measure the height and circumference of your plant pot to ensure the overall cover will fit properly. Select a pattern. Simple patterns like single crochet or double crochet, stitches or coil for beginners. For more experienced crocheters, consider patterns with texture or decorative elements. Start with a base. Begin by crocheting a circle to fit the bottom of the pot. This will be the foundation of your cover. Increase evenly. When crocheting the base, increase stitches evenly to keep it flat and round. Once the base is the right size, you can start working up the sides. Work in the round. Crochet in the round to create a seamless look. Use stitch markers to keep track of rounds if needed. Customize height. Continue crocheting until the cover is the desired height. You can add more rounds to make it taller, to fewer for a shorter cover. Add decorations. Consider adding decorative elements like scalloped edged tassels or embroidery to personalize your plant cover. Check the fit. Periodically check the fit of the cover on your pot to make sure it is snug but not too tight. Finish neatly. Once the cover is right size, finish off the yarn and weave in any loose ends for a tidy look. Block your work. If needed, block your crochet plant cover to help it maintain its shape. It involves wetting it slightly and shaping it as it dries. Here are some additional tips for creating crochet plant covers. Experiment with colors. Use different colors to match your home decor. You can create stripes, color blocks, or even intricate patterns with multiple colors. Use variegated yarn. Variegated yarns can add a unique, multicolored effect without the need to switch yarns frequently. Try different textures. Incorporate different stitches to add texture to your plant cover. Puff stitches, bubble stitches, or shell stitches can create interesting patterns. Consider the environment. If your plant cover will be in a humid environment, make sure to use a yarn that won't wear or degrade over time. Reinforce the top edge. Add a round to slip stitches or single crochet at the top edge to give the cover a finished look and to help it hold its shape. Add handles. Crochet small handles on the sides of the cover for easy handling, especially for larger pots. Incorporate black. For a more delicate look, try using black stitches or creating open work patterns that allow the pot color show through. Use a liner. If you are worried about moisture affecting your crochet work, place a plastic liner inside the cover or use a pot with a saucer to catch excess water. Personalize with appliques. Add crochet flowers, leaves, or other appliques to the cover to give it a personalized touch. Gauge swatch. Make a small gauge swatch before starting your project to ensure your stitches match the pattern's gauge, helping you get the correct size. Secure stitch markers. Use stitch markers to keep track of your rounds and any increases or decreases, which can help maintain an even shape. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!